Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious salmon. It's a bacon wrapped salmon that I know that you and your family are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have black pepper, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 zucchini, a package of bacon, the bacon you have at home. I have 2 cups of mixed vegetables frozen, our Atlantic salmon. This is everything we need for this delicious recipe, of course, made at home with a lot of love. So let's get started. Of course, I'm gonna start getting my zucchini from my yard. This is an organic zucchini. I love planting my own vegetables here at home. I have here my 2 cups of mixed veggies, frozen veggies, and we are going to rinse them completely, making sure that we rinse them really good in running water. This is completely done. Now I'm going to continue with my organic zucchini. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and reserve it. I have here my salmon pieces, and I have them in napkins so that they are really nice and dry. Okay, now here I have my garlic powder and my black pepper, and I'm going to just mix it completely because that's what we are going to add to our salmon. I have my bacon strips here. I'm gonna add 3 to 4 pieces of bacon to each piece of salmon. Remember, if your salmons are really large, well, you're gonna be using about 4 of them. If they're just almost this size, you'll be using 3 to 4 for each one. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of the garlic powder and the black pepper. And of course, I'm not adding any salt because you know that the bacon is a little salty and we want to have control of the salt that we are adding to our food, especially here at home. So this is how I'm doing every single one. Let me show you one more time, so that it is easier for you to do it at home, and it's very tasty. I'm sure that your kids are really going to love this recipe. I like adding it just on the top and then rubbing it in and then on the other side. And then it's just so easy to just go ahead and flip the bacon and then just wrap it right across just like this. Okay, I have all of them nice and wrapped. Look at them. You could even see that they're really nice and covered completely, the salmon. Okay, I'm going to take them to the oven, and I'm using my outdoor oven so that my house is really hot, and I want to make sure that I don't really use the oven indoors. I'm going to go ahead and cook it at 350 until the bacon is completely really nice and crispy. I have 1 little piece of bacon left, and this is what I'm going to use to cook the onion and the veggies. You want to make sure that you cut your onion in really small little pieces so that it will completely incorporate with the bacon. I have preheated my pan, and I'm adding now the bacon and my onion, and we're just gonna mix it around so that we don't add any butter to this onion. Once it's nice and caramelized just like this, then this is the time when we're gonna go ahead and start adding our mixed veggies. Okay, this is completely done, and let me go ahead and start adding the mixed veggies. we want to go ahead and just add the veggies and incorporate them completely. We don't want to cook this for too long. It's going to be cooking in medium-low heat. And I'm going to continue by cutting my zucchini right in the center. But first, I'm going to cut only the sides, and then I'm going to cut it right through the center. I'm going to go ahead and just slice it like spaghetti. Just like this. I'm going to go ahead and just slice one by one until I am completely done with this zucchini. Look at this. I've sliced all the zucchini. And I'm going to go ahead and just transfer it to this plate. And then, of course, take it to the stove. We're going to incorporate it with our veggies. The veggies look now nice and tender. And I'm just going to add the zucchini. And I'm going to just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. No more than that, because we want the zucchini to still be a little firm, but yet not that soggy. I'm going to go ahead and just add a pinch of salt. Just a little bit. Remember that the salt is to taste. We want to incorporate all the veggies and the zucchinis and just let them cook for just a little bit. Okay? Just like this. You could really see all the veggies really incorporated with the zucchini. And you know something? This is now completely done. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the stove off. And let's go see how the bacon, the salmon with the bacon is doing. Okay, they look nice and crispy. The bacon really looks really nice and crispy from the top. Look at this. I am so ready for the presentation. And of course, I can't wait to taste it. This smells delicious. I'll see you in a bit. Delicious salmon covered completely with bacon, and especially with all that veggies. You know that the veggies are from my garden, so they are organic. Well, let me see how this came out, because this looks amazing. My home smells delicious and I just can't stop talking. And let me see how this came out, okay? Oh my God. Excuse me. The salmon is so tender. It got that bacon gave it such a delicious flavor. Very crispy from the outside, but yet from the center, nice and soft. This is just amazing. I hope, my friends, you could try making this recipe at home for your family. Enjoy it like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, you are going to be notified every time I make a new and delicious recipe. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I have a peach lemonade that you already have on my channel. I'm gonna stay enjoying this delicious salmon. So see you soon in the next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.